good morning.
Morning.
Sit down, please.
Thank you.
Okay, let me introduce myself first. My name is Arti Pasa. I'm head of HRD in this company, so I will interview you for today. Okay. Miss Nabila.
Yeah.
Okay, tell me about yourself first.
Okay. Let me introduce myself. My name is Josie Nabila Kartika Anjani, usually called me Nabila. I have bachelor in psychology and have just degree. I am currently 21 years old and I can operate Miss Word, Excel and PowerPoint. I can work under pressure. I can also communicate well. Currently, I live in Yogyakarta, specifically in the Sleman area.
Okay. So based on your CV, tell me about your work experience as a L'Oreal BA and internship as administrative staff in Trihanggo Sub-District.
Okay, Miss. I did an internship as staff member in the Trihanggo Sub-District. For approximately 3 months, I was in the administration section which took care of various kinds of outgoing and incoming letters and also making various community documents such as making family cards and identity cards as well as service to community. Then I also worked part-time as a brand witch for the L'Oreal brand for approximately 1 year, where I worked to introduce the brand's product consumer and also explain to how to use the product.
Okay. Based on your experience, how do you face challenges at work or internships?
Okay, I face challenge at work or internship with the strike that I have. I have a principle that if I receive criticism, I will use the motivation of something to build myself to be better. I try to be strong and act professionally when working.
Okay, interested. And what do you know about this company and why do you interested in working here?
Okay, I found about this company through the Instagram that I have. Be changed past several find of my homepage and I was interested in looking future. After I saw it, I was what this company was doing, which was extraordinary in internship of the work team and also the exciting work programs. Then after I looked around, it turned out this company was in of HR staff. Therefore, I was very interested in the job.
Okay. And now tell me about your experience at work with a team.
Okay, Miss. I once worked in the team where in the team we have to work together for the dessert goals where we start the exciting work together and also always evaluate if there was work that I was still not good. We also always communicate that within in the team where is understanding.
Okay. And what is your main motivation at work?
Okay, my motivation of working is because life always goes on with various kinds of needs. I work earn money which in the future can need the I have. Apart from that, I also want to gain more experience in my life. One of which in my working.
Okay, and where do you see yourself in 5 years?
Uh, I will start from now for the next 5 years. Regarding myself, I will try develop whatever I within me, such as looking for a relationship, making friends with anyone, and trying and find where my potential. I am also sure that in the next 5 years I will be better than I am now.
Okay, and are you willing to work overtime or on weekends if necessary?
I'm willing to work overtime and weekend if necessary.
Okay, so you're really ready for work overtime?
Sure.
Okay, thank you. And what salary do you expect?
I expect a salary that is appropriate to what I do and in a dream with my ability.
Okay, and when you can start working?
Um, okay, I'm ready to work next week.
Okay, I think that's enough and thank you. And from now, I will review all the interview results and contact the selected candidates for the next stage. And you will receive an email from my company within the next week. And before I end, maybe you have any question?
I think no.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Miss Nabila.
Okay.